If you are wondering how you can download free ebooks from Google Books legally, but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can download free ebooks from Google Books legally. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss out any. First, open your browser and go to books.google.com. Open the first link that appears. Once you're on the site, search for the book you are interested in using the search bar. For now, we'll be searching book related with AI. After finding the book you want, make sure to select the option that says Full View. This will show books that are fully available and free to read, and select other options according to your choice. Browse through and pick the book that you'd like to download. Next, if the book is available for download, you'll see a download PDF button. Click on this and choose the location on your device where you'd like to save the file. Once it's downloaded, you can access the book from that location. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to download books from Google Books for free. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.